up? Welcome back to another video, and this is a modding tutorial again. Finally, I'm doing it again. I did one episode, and I really wanted to do it. It's just, I don't know. That's beside the point. Now, okay, so what you want to do when you first start off, so last time we left off, we were on, no, okay, we were right here. And then, so what we gotta do now, guys, is we gotta open up source main Java, and then this is the example mod package right here. Just gotta delete that. Just go ahead and click delete. And sorry, I'm not showing the windows. It's being a little weird. Alright. So now what we want to do is we want to go to source main Java, and then we right click and click new, and then we're gonna do package. So I'm gonna name my package right now. You can't see it. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but there's a window here. So what you want to type in normally is com dot your player name or whatever you want to do, and then dot again, and then type in whatever mod you want. So tutorial mod, or I'll just do TM. No, tutorial mod. Finish. All right. So now we have a package right here. Tutorial mod. There. Now we got package tutorial mod. So now what we want to do is we want to go new class. Sorry, you can't see the class again. Sorry. So then what you want to do is you want to do mod, like capital M, type in mod, and then whatever name of the mod is. So I'm just gonna do tutorial. There you go. So now we have a main mod class that we're going to be using. So, alright guys, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a little bit of setup code for our mod. So basically what we want to do is we're going to be doing, we're going to set up the pre-initialization, the initialization, and the post-initialization. Sorry, I can't say that word. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be doing, okay, so basically, if you don't know coding, I'm not here to teach you coding, but basically what you want to do is public void pre-int, or init. Alright, then FML pre-initialization, initialization, event. There we go, sorry, event. So that's what we want to do. And then hit Control-Shift-O, which will import pre-initialization event. And I can't say that word. Then what you want to do is just do that, brackets, and then it'll finish automatically. So then after that, now we want to do the public void, void init FML initialization event. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, so this is like sensitive, guys. Alright, there we go. So we have that now. Control-Shift-O, and we're gonna import that. So next what we want to do is we want to do that. Alright. And then we want to do the post in it. So I'm just gonna copy this for the last one. We don't really need to type this out again. So we want to do post in it. So then we're gonna do right there, post in it. So that's what we have so far. Gonna Control-Shift-O that. Wait, capital P. Make sure everything's like sensitive, and there will be lots of errors if you don't, and you won't be able to play the game. So then you want to do @event handler for all these. I'm not really going to show you how everything works. To be honest, I don't know everything. I'm just like you guys. But, there we go, guys. Import that. Alright. I'm just like you guys, but I just copy down tutorials most of the time. But, I actually know how to make mods. I'm not that good at it, but I just want to teach you guys because I couldn't figure out how to make plants. Alright guys, now what we want to do is make a new class inside our package. It's gonna be called the reference class. Reference like capital R and all that. So then what we're gonna do So you want to do public static final, and then string mod underscore ID equals. So this is your mod ID, guys. So I'm gonna do TM for tutorial mod, and then hit semicolon or whatever. Okay, public static final string. All right, then we want to do mod name equals just do tutorial mod. All right, so tutorial mod, guys. All right, then public static. Now you'll notice I like to copy a lot of these things, guys. Like copy it from, like, I'll type something out once and then I'll just copy it again because it can just get repetitive sometimes. Yeah. So next what we need is the public string version. Version. It has to be all caps. Well, it doesn't have to be, but I like it all caps. And then let's just do 1.0 because that's what our version is of the mod. So then you want to do save. I like clicking save all for some reason. It's just a habit of mine. Then you want to go back into your mod class and then go right before public class. You want to do at mod parentheses mod ID equals reference dot mod ID. So then you want to do name comma name equals reference. I can't type mod dot nope. Oh, that's why. I'm terrible at this, guys. There we go. Name equals reference dot mod name. There we go. Now version equals reference dot version. Okay, we got that, guys. So now we got to import Control Shift O. And that imports these things, so we can minimize that if you want. Save your work. So then basically what you want to do next is, well, we've got it pretty much all under control. So I think we're going to be adding custom items right now, or so we can texture them and all that. So I'm going to have to do that. But let's just, you know what, let's just run our mod. So I'm just going to hit run client. And then what run client does is obviously runs the program. But then you have a window like Minecraft pop up. And then should be, 1 second, I forget what the, then you have, there. We got Minecraft open. So, sorry about that. I just gotta fix the res. Alright, so as you can see, now we have mods. It says 4 mods located. And this is tutorial mod right here, version 1.0 mod state. So we'll edit this later once we're compiling. But other than that, yeah. Let's go back to our other thing. I'm just gonna keep this open now, guys. But there we go. So we're going back to our mod, and then I think what we're gonna do is we're going to be adding the items now. So next, all we need to do now, or what we need to do now, is we're going to be going, I think, make a new package. I'm sorry again, you can't see this, but what you want to do is you want to do com dot your player name again, and then dot tutorial mod, and then you want to do dot init. So like here, like that, init. So then what you want to do inside that is you want to go into class. Alright, guys, so next we got to after that we just what I like to do is I like to do package presentation, hurricane or whatever that's called. That makes it look like that. So that makes the package look all nice.
Package presentation.
It makes the package look all nice and all that. But yeah. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into new, and then we're going to go Java class, and the class is gonna be called what's it called? Tutorial. Can't spell. I can actually. tutorial items. There we go. So tutorial items, and we have a new class. So what we're gonna do in this class, okay, yeah. So what we're gonna do in this class is basically it's gonna be like the mod tutorial right here. This is the main mod class, and we're gonna run. We're basically breaking it down into different files. This class right here, tutorial items, is going to be in the initialization event right here. So it's going to run this whole program once it goes to this line of code right here. So what we want to do first in the tutorial items is we're going to do public static item, and then what we're going to do is public void static void register. Yeah. Boom. Okay. Item. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna make it an item right now. So we're gonna call it bacon. I don't know. I'm just picking a random one. So make sure it's all lowercase actually, and then do a semicolon. So and then we're gonna Control Shift O, and then we'll import the item class right here from the actual Minecraft code. So after this, we're going to be doing bacon equals new item, and then get out of that, and then dot set unlocalized name, and then we're going to do bacon. Alright, so that's good there. My mistake, guys. I actually meant init right here instead of register. Init comes later. So we're just going to copy this down here, and I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to delete this, because we don't need that. And then, whoops. Then I'm going to do register right here. And then we got to do, here, I'll just copy that to make it easier. And then, as you can tell, I like copying and pasting. So now what we want to do is we want to do register renders. Register renders. Capital R. Alright. So we got register renders there right there. Now what we want to do after that is we want to do, I want to make this a little neater, guys. Sorry. I like keeping my code all nice. Alright, so then we want to do register. So game registry dot register item, and then we're gonna do bacon dot get unlocalized name, and it's gonna be dot substring, and then we're gonna make it 5 public static void. What we're gonna do is we're going to do actually wait, no, yeah, alright, sorry, so I'm very unprofessional, as you can tell, but you know what, I'm like 13. I'm like a teenager and not very good at talking. So yeah, what we're gonna do is register render, and don't get confused with register renders. So then what we want to do is we want to do item, and then item, like that. So then we want to go down and we want to do Minecraft dot get Minecraft dot get render dot get render, whatever, just type it like that, render item, and then dot get item model measure dot register, and then we want to do item 0 new model resource location location. There we go. So then we want to do reference dot mod ID plus colon plus sorry item. I'm sorry, I'm looking off of a code online because I need to remember. I can't remember all this. Dot substring and 5 with no. So we want to do substring and then actually no, parentheses or quotation marks, inventory. So there we go. I'm just gonna rename this to reference. Rename. Nope. Okay. Reference. Okay, there we go. New model resource location. And for some reason this isn't working because we got to import reference. There we go. Model resource location, import. There we go, guys. So now we have the whole thing, no bugs or anything. So yeah. So, well, this isn't the whole thing. So what we gotta do now is we gotta go up into this public static void register renders. Then what we gotta do is we gotta type in, type in register, render, and then bacon. So this is how you create an item, guys. Register render. There we go. So then, let's just save that quick. We don't want to lose our progress, because that's always good. So then we want to go into the mod tutorial. Alright. And you got to go pre-init. Then you got to type in tutorial items or whatever your thing is. Dot init. After that, you want to just do that. And then tutorial items again. Items dot and then register. Boom. So that's what we have so far, guys. Alright, guys, what we want to do is you want to go to new package on com, link plays for the win, or yours dot tutorial mod dot, and then what we want to do is we want to do proxy. So this is going to be creating all of this stuff related to client side and server side. I actually don't know how to do server side, to be honest, but I don't know. So then we want to do in proxy, new class, we're going to do client proxy, and then proxy like that, and then we want to do common proxy, which is the server. So common proxy, okay. So we have this, guys. Then we want to do, so go into client proxy, and we want to type in client proxy right here, extends, alright, guys, so then what we want to do is we want to go into client proxy, and we want to type in client proxy extends common proxy, so like that. So after go there, we gotta go to common proxy, guys. Alright, we're on the common proxy now. Just save our work, because that's good. So then what we want to do is we want to type in public static public void register renders with parentheses like that, and then gotta go like that. There we go. Then go in here, go back in the client proxy, guys, type in boom like that. Alright, so then we go there, and then this is confusing, but there's so many, it's just very hard, but alright, so then what we want to do, guys, add override like so. Okay, I'm very bad at teaching this, guys. I'm sorry, but I'm very bad at teaching this, guys. Sorry, but then you want to do register renders. Okay, parentheses there like that. Tutorial items, import tutorial items, and then we'll be good. So then again, what you want to do is you want to go into reference, guys, and then you want to do let's see, public static final string, and then we gotta do client underscore proxy equals, and then we're going to do, this is a little bit hard. I'll come back to this in a minute. So we're going to do public static final string server proxy class. Then we're going to do class like that. There. So then what you want to do is you want to do this again. Okay. So now here's the little hard part. So then we gotta do type in com.yourname thing, the package that you have, tutorial mod dot proxy dot, this is hard, client proxy. There we go. Okay. Then we're gonna do com.link place following tutorial mod elmod dot proxy dot common proxy. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright, then we gotta save just for good measures. And then go into mod tutorial class, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just literally like spitting stuff out at you. But what we're gonna do now, it's gonna go above the mod, but we're gonna go or below @mod and then above event handler. Then we want to do is we want to go to @sided proxy client side equals reference dot client proxy class. Then we want to do server side equals reference dot server proxy class. All right, import that, guys. That's a little weird. All right, wait. After that, we're gonna do public static common proxy. There we go. Now that should work. Import there. Sorry. And I typed that in wrong, that's why. Alright guys, now our final thing before we go into the game is proxy dot register renders and then done. Sorry about the Skype message. Alright, then save. So what we're gonna do, guys, is now we're gonna go into Minecraft and so I have a little keybind to do before, like, for anything. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna create a new thing. Create a new world. So world modding world. Sorry, you can't see this. Creative. Okay, I'm just gonna go into super flat for now. Customize. We're going to go to redstone ready. Sorry about that. All right, use present. So let's see. Going to create the world and done. All right, create the world. So we're creating the world now, guys. And sorry, this is a very long episode. So I just want to get items in. So as you can see, we don't have any items right now. Well, we can't actually really get the item yet. So what we have to do is first I'm going to do a keybind F3T because that reloads everything. I just reloaded everything. Alright guys, I just wanted to mention, okay, so this hasn't been working for me, so I'm going to, right here quickly, I'm going to do set creative tabs dot tab. I'm going to be doing tab food, so this is going to be the bacon. So this is in the tutorial items right here. So bacon, new item, yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to switch into Minecraft now. Sorry about that delay. Alright, so we're in Minecraft. Alright, now, so we added the tab, creative tab. So we're going to go in food, and there we go. We got item bacon.name. So this isn't really an actual food item, like you can't eat it. But I will be adding that in probably the next episode, and we will be doing textures as well. So then look forward to that. My modding series is going to be a little bit mixed up because I have not really a clue what I'm doing. Because I'm a noob scrub, and I will most likely get myself killed. Not really, just kidding, because coding is only for nerds. Yeah, okay guys, anyway, see you in the next episode of modding tutorials. Boom. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Okay, bye.